So hello everyone and welcome to this new video where we'll see the Ebbinghaus Illusion. So again, those two balls are exactly the same, but because of the others around them, it looks like this one is smaller and this one is bigger. It's not a really interesting illusion, to make in Blender, but let's do it. Why not? It's there, so let's do it anyway. Okay, so first of all, we want a ball. Okay. Now, Shift D to duplicate. That's what we are going to do. S to scale. Let's say maybe, I don't know, 0.5. GZ. And now, interesting thing in this video, Shift D, right click, R, Control, and you can rotate it 40 degrees. Now, take those two one, Shift D, like with the one, the propeller one. Go check it if you don't know. 90, okay. Shift to select, Shift D, sorry. Control again, rotate, Control again to rotate every 5 degrees. You see that it snaps. Okay. We want to select them all. Select this. No, not the light. Control Z. This last one. Control P. And we'll put object. Now, let's move this one there. Now, let's select them all. Shift D. Up. Those ones are snapped. Shift to select them all again. S to scale. No. Individual origins. S to scale. Do you know what? Median point. Let's say 0.5. Now we'll say we'll do individual origins. So S again to scale them a bit. Say that. So 0 for the camera. Orthographic. Let's say 50. Disable that. Select both. G, Z. And let's see. So, of course, save always. Oh. Ebbinghaus Illusion. Okay, shader mode. This light, you can delete it. Emission. Okay, now you'll select everything with A, and you'll go to Object, Link Transfer Data, Linked Materials, and yeah, it's working. Let me see. Yeah, the balls there are bigger, so let's try to do it. And they are also closer, so median point. Let's make them bigger again. No. Render image. And it's working. For me, it's working. This one looks way bigger than this one. Okay, so that will be it for this video, and I hope you liked it, even though it's not, as I said, the most interesting illusion, but you may have learned 2 or 3 things during this video. So see you in the next one, which will be about the Café Wall Illusion. This one is really popular too. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye!